3, 5, 6, 7, tap on 8, diagonally behind the other foot. Now breaking it into 3 easy parts. Step and drag with your toe as much as you can behind the other foot. If you're in the mirror, you don't want to pass or be too much to the side. Behind the other foot, slide back. So we have from here 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back into the basic. Second exercise, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring your left foot down, and at the same time that your heel is stepping down, make sure your right foot heel lifts up to the ball or even up to the toe. So all the weight has transferred down to the left. So we do the same, step back, with a little extra. As we step, we lift up the right knee. And that's where the Pachanga dip, I would say, not pulling and controlling or pushing and controlling. Let your muscles relax and drop down and drop down and drop down on count 1, 3, 5, 7. And if we get that from going here and here, we can add it into the basics for step 3 or explanation 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to add the up and down, so we lift up our hip on 8, and then we bend down on 1, and 2, and 3, and repeat. Watch, now we're going to turn 2 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 10 o'clock. That's where our knees are pointing in our chest. Pull back, you're at 12, push, you're at 2. 12, bump. Down, bump, down, bump, down, bump. To finish it off, go on a straight line back on 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Thank you for watching, and see you later.